How to use Studio Ghibli ChatGPT. If you want to create a Studio Ghibli image like this and using ChatGPT, right? What do you do in that case? Now, the way to do it is fairly simple. First, you go to chatgpt.com and log into your account, and this only works for premium users and not for free users. From the bottom, select the option Create Image from the prompt. Now you can give a description as to what kind of Ghibli style image you want to create. But you can also choose to convert an existing image if you have into Ghibli style. So you can click the plus icon here, select upload button right there, and you can simply choose the image that you want to upload and it will convert it into a Ghibli style art based on how you would like to prefer. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.